Finally tonight, we return to the legacy of the Cold War in a battle to preserve one of its icons, the Berlin Wall. Our story comes from independent producers Carl Nassman and Anna Zoki Brandlin, and is reported by Nassman.
Thousands of people at the Berlin Wall in Germany. But this time, instead of tearing down the wall, the citizens of Berlin are here to protect what remains of it.
It was here for 28 years and everybody hated it, but nowadays people love it.
I was here when the wall came down, and this is the last bit that's still standing. And they want to tear this down, I'm shocked.
And there isn't much wall left. In just over 2 decades, nearly 80% was shredded and paved into roadways.